Hey guys, in today's video, I'm gonna reveal a 12-foot feather flag I purchased here. I need them to advertise, so I figured I buy several, and I bought 6 of these. And it looks like it came pretty quick. They're supposed to be about 12 foot in height. And they were printed on demand, so I personalized it myself. But let's see here. Let's open it to see what's in there. They taped it pretty good. And this flag, it came with a kit. It came with the poles and everything. And I asked for the stick kind of pole. So the one that actually go in the ground. Wow, they taped it really good. All right, let's see here. I want to cut away from you. You don't want to hurt yourself, right? Let's see. I got one side open. Let me try to open this side. Yeah, we were about a week ago and it came pretty quick. Where did I order from? It was actually from International. Wow, let's see here. The thing I'm worried about is see how bright the feather flags are. I wanted them bright, and hopefully they can stand out pretty long here, or in the sun, UV protection. They can last through all the sun. Let's open this one. So this is one flag here, it looks like it. Came nicely packed, really bright color. Nice. Wow, that's a lot. That's a huge flag. Look at the size of this. The size of this thing. Nice. And then I actually got 3 American flags with it. I ordered 3 flags just to go with it. And let's open those here. Which one is this one here? Okay, here it is. They look the same, but they actually, nice. You see the stars, the blue, the red and white. Very nice, very bright. The material is very thick, polyester. As you can see, you hear it. But yeah, there's, as you can see, very bright. Very nice here. It's very thick too, the material is very thick. Again, this is 12 foot, about 12 foot. Very large. It's bigger than I thought it would be. So that's one of the flags. We got one that says valuable units. And these were personalized, so they print it live. You just send in your design and they just print it for you. Let's see, let's open another one here. So far, I'm happy with it. Came with straps, looks like it. This is another one here. See, now available. As you can see how bright that color is. Look at that. That's really bright. I have another patriotic flag here. Let's open this one. Nice. Very nice. So bright. Material is really good. Now let's try to put the pole together, see what it looks like. Pretty much take the stake out here. You got 3 long pieces here. And you got your stake, right? Your anchor stake. So first you want to do, you want to take the thinner pieces first. The one that actually is the end tip, the very top of the flag. Then you put this on, you want to lower the flag up. It's probably easier if you take the 2 mid piece and take your flag. Well, I'm going to do the American flag here. And you find your end piece here. This is the top. So you want to insert from the bottom. So I'm going to take the end piece here, I'm going to insert it. Go all the way down here. Get the end to all the way to the top. Just keep going down. And then you take this piece. And then you just slide it down more. Ah, look nice, huh? And then you take your strap, the strap that came with it, because you're gonna have to tie it. You take this piece, the thicker part, and just insert it in here, and you tighten it up. That's it, really easy, real simple. You take your strap, you tie it right here, you tie it here so it won't fly out. So we're gonna take it outside. I'm gonna show you a demo here, see how big this flag is. Look how beautiful that thing is. All right, so guys, I got the flag outside here. You can see, all you gotta do is just gotta anchor it. Push it down. Of course, if you need to tighten it up more with the mollis on, I recommend that. This is temporary, I'm just doing it to see how it works. Looks good. Double knot it, I recommend. Material is really good on this, so just tie this here. And voila. That's all to it. You want to tie it good because it'll fly off. Okay, tying it. I'm gonna double knot one more time here. Again, I didn't use a mallet anchor all the way down, but you're supposed to anchor it, push it down a little bit. That's how it looks. This is a 12-foot flag. It's pretty big. They go all the way up to 15 foot if you need to. I got the Amazon guy here too also. So let's see how it looks. Yeah, appreciate it, buddy.
No problem.
Thank you.
Have a great day.
You too. Looks like it can hold pretty good. Bright colors. Can hold, I think it can hold. We'll need a little trim, but other than that. See, the material is really thick. Nice. They did a really good job. I'm happy with it. Gorgeous. You see that? Fly away.